Hello friends. This is another session of our weight loss series, and I'll be covering a very important thing that we need to keep in mind when we are in a weight loss program, and that is to have an early dinner. And I always tell my clients to have a dinner before 8 p.m. And see, the thing that happens is our digestion system slows down after evening, after sunset. So when you take dinner close to your bedtime, it will just get stored as fat. Your body will not be able to utilize it. So when you're having late dinner, it will actually increase your blood sugar levels, and the fat burning does not happen as much. And the strange thing is, if you have the same meal at suppose 7 p.m. and at 10 p.m., it works differently. So people always say that okay, it is all about calories in and calories out, but that's not correct, because in my one of my previous session I had said not all calories are equal. And here, when you're eating your food, when you're consuming those calories at what time, that makes whole lot of difference. So have a dinner early, and so when you it should not be close to your bedtime. So the frequent question that I get whenever I say that you need to have early dinner is, will we not feel hungry? So what should we do? You will feel hungry if your diet has only carbohydrates. But if you have a proper combination of protein and fiber in your dinner, you will definitely not feel hungry, because body takes longer time for to digest, to metabolize protein and fiber. And with protein and fiber, you also have this satiety, feeling of fullness. The satiety index is high. So always make sure that you eat good amount of protein and fiber in all your meals, and especially in dinner. One more tip is, if for any chance you come back from office late or something, that you are not able to have an early dinner, make sure that you are not eating any carbohydrates in your dinner if you are having a late dinner. Some people also ask me that okay, if we feel hungry, we have to work till 12, 1, 2, or some people also get hungry. They might get hungry if they are watching movies on Netflix, Amazon Prime and all. So I say that if you feel hungry, don't have unhealthy junk food at home, because that is what you crave for. When you are hungry, you just go to your kitchen and बिस्किट, चिप्स, मिक्सचर, यही तो खाते हैं. लेकिन हम अपने घर में अगर ये सारी चीजें रखेंगे ही नहीं, हेल्दी चीजें आप रख सकते हो, जैसे रोस्टेड चना रख लिया, रोस्टेड पीनट्स, रोस्टेड मखाना, या फ्यू ड्राई फ्रूट्स. So you can have that if you're hungry. And one more thing that you can do is, if you're hungry, you had an early dinner, or आप काम कर रहे हो, and you're feeling hungry, first thing, have a glass of water, 250 ml of water. Wait for 10 minutes. देखो if you're still hungry, क्योंकि कभी कभी ना confusion होता है, that feeling, the signal of thirst and signal of hunger, उसमें confusion हो जाता है. तो have a glass of water. उसके 10 मिनट के बाद भी अगर आपको भूख लग रही है, इफ यू आर स्टिल हंग्री, तब आप कुछ हेल्दी चीजें खा सकते हो. तो वेट लॉस करना है तो मेक श्योर कि अर्ली डिनर करना है, 7 से 8 के बीच में. योर डिनर शुड बी डन, किचन क्लोज्ड, एंड उसके बाद आप ब्रश कर लो, टूथ ब्रश कर लो आप. सो यू वोंट फील लाइक ईटिंग आफ्टर दैट अगेन. बस यही शेयर करना था, बट इट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल आइडिया एंड वेरी इफेक्टिव वे टू हैव अ प्रॉपर वेट लॉस, क्योंकि लेट डिनर करेंगे तो वेट गेन होगा, ब्लड शुगर लेवल हाई होगा, तो यू डोंट वांट दैट। एंड आजकल जैसे इंटरमीडिएंट फास्टिंग भी बताते हैं कि इंटरमीडिएंट फास्टिंग में लाइक 16 आवर्स गैप रहना चाहिए आज के डिनर और कल के ब्रेकफास्ट के बीच में। अगर आप अर्ली डिनर कर रहे हो तो वो भी हो जाता है, तो फैट बर्निंग के साथ अपनी बॉडी की हीलिंग भी हो जाती है, इन्फ्लेमेशन भी कम होता है। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स। बीपी ऑल्सो इट डज नॉट रिमेन एलिवेटेड, 10 to 15% कम होता है। So there are a lot of benefits of having an early dinner. So it's not only for people who are in a weight loss program. Generally this is what we should be doing. We should be having an early dinner before 8 p.m. So that's all I have to share. Thank you all. Have a great evening. Bye bye.